'tis sweet I pity him because I ken he knows me. Happy, happy was the shower that led me to his broken bower, when first love I found the power and kent that Robin loved me. His torn sons, sae frank and free, Lord, my arm and dear to me. We him and love, we him and dee, because my Robin loves me. Ma Mary said to me, or courtship but a joke would be, and I be made to see that Robin did not love me. But little ken she what has been me and my honest Rob between, and in his own